Tag questions, special cases. If you can still remember, we need to follow a few rules when we make tag questions. Let's try to review them. The first one, to make a tag, use the same auxiliary verb found in the statement. The second one, if there is no auxiliary verb, use do, does, and did. The third one, if the statement is in positive form, make a negative tag. But if the statement is in negative, make a positive tag. The last one, the statement and the tag are always separated by a comma. In special cases, only the last rule applies. The statement and the tag are always separated by a comma. There are 3 special rules that need to be considered when we make tag questions. The first one is with the use of I am. The original rule was use the same auxiliary verb found in the statement, right? But if the main clause uses I am, the tag should not be am I not. It should be aren't I. Example, I am the teacher here, aren't I? We can't say I am the teacher here, am I not? That would be wrong. The second example, I am still the leader of this team, aren't I? The last one, I am good in dancing, aren't I? The second special rule is about the imperatives. Imperatives are sentences which show orders or commands. So the rule is, if the main clause is an imperative, use the tag will you. Whether or not the main clause is in positive or negative is not important, or if an auxiliary verb is used or not, because if the main clause is an imperative, the tag will you is automatically used. Example, change your clothes, will you? Change your clothes is an example of an imperative. It shows command. That's why the tag will you is used. The second example, be here at 10 in the morning, will you? Clean your room, will you? These 2 sentences show command. That's why the tag will you is used. The third rule is with the use of let us or let's. If let us is used in the statement, our tag should be shall we. Example, let's go to the library after class, shall we? Let us or let's as contracted is a form of suggesting something. That's why we use the tag shall we as a way of asking if the person agrees with you. Second example, let's study together, shall we? Another one, let's have dinner tomorrow, shall we? For our exercise, make tag questions out of the given sentences. The first one, let's get out of here. The correct answer is, let's get out of here, shall we? The tag shall we should always be used when let's is used. The second one, I am your friend. The correct answer is, I am your friend, aren't I? I am is used in the statement. Therefore, the tag aren't I must be used. The third one, go to your room. The correct answer is, go to your room, will you? Go to your room is an imperative. Therefore, the tag will you must be used. The fourth one, turn the television off. The correct answer is, turn the television off, will you? Turn the television off is also an imperative. That's why will you is still used. The last one, I am right. The correct answer is, I am right, aren't I? Remember that if I am is used, aren't I should always be the tag. Did you get them right?